What does it take to make the cereal you eat for breakfast? It's a journey that starts on farms, where grains like oats and corn are grown. Let's follow the farm to fork process to see how cereals are made. Cereals start with grains. Oats and corn are two of the most common grains used in breakfast cereals. Farmers plant seeds during the planting season, depending on the cereal crop they are growing. And carefully tend to them as they grow into tall stalks. Oats are hardy and thrive in cooler climates. While corn grows best in warmer regions. Similar to other crops, they face damages if the weather conditions are bad and from pests and diseases. Once the crops are fully grown, it's time to harvest. Using special machines, farmers gather the oats and corn. Most of the grains, including oats and corns, are harvested in similar manner. The grain is separated from the stalks while harvesting itself using the machines and stored in silos before being taken to factories for processing. At the factory, the grains are cleaned and processed. For example, oats are steamed and rolled to create oatmeal, while corn is ground, cooked, and shaped into flakes. Cereals are then dried to give them the crunchy texture we all love. The process begins with the selection of cereals such as corn, wheat, oats, barley, or rice. Corn is one of the most commonly used grains in breakfast cereals. The cleaned grains are ground or milled into smaller particles. For corn, this involves grinding the corn into cornmeal. Wheat, oats, or other grains are similarly milled, depending on the type of cereal being made. The ground cereal is mixed with water and cooked in large steam cookers to soften the grain and partially gelatinize the starches. Additional ingredients such as sugar, salt, and flavorings may be added during cooking to create a desired taste and texture. In the case of flake cereals like corn flakes, the dried grain is rolled into thin sheets using heavy rollers. The sheets are then broken into smaller pieces or flakes. For cereals like puffed rice, corn puffs, or rings, the mixture is passed through an extruder. This is a machine that pushes the cooked dough through a mold to shape the cereal into specific forms, example, rings, spheres, or pillows. As the mixture exits the extruder, the rapid change in temperature and pressure causes the cereal to puff or expand into its final shape. The cereal pieces are toasted or puffed in ovens. For example, corn flakes are toasted to develop their signature crispy texture. After cooking, the mixture is dried to remove excess moisture. This is often done by spreading the cooked grain onto large conveyor belts that pass through drying ovens. Cereals like puffed rice or corn are treated with high-pressure steam and heat to puff them up further. Some cereals are coated with additional flavors, sweeteners, or vitamins. For example, sugary cereals are sprayed with a sugar solution or other coatings to give them a glazed or frosted finish. Many breakfast cereals are enriched with vitamins and minerals to improve their nutritional content. This is typically done at the end of the process through a liquid spray or powder application. The finished cereal is cooled to room temperature and packaged into boxes or bags, ready for distribution. The packaging is designed to protect the cereal from moisture, maintaining its freshness and crunch. This process is versatile and allows manufacturers to create a wide variety of breakfast cereals, from flakes to puffs and everything in between. Hope you gained insights on how your cereals are produced